Welcome to the new analysis on the Harmonic Scanner, where I have found a bat pattern that has been formed in line with the trend. What currently we have here, it is 4-hour time frame on the copper, where we can see that the price has formed this bearish bat pattern, formed on the downtrend, and it has been right here currently on the potential reversal zone. Already we can see that the price is pointing that the price could go down in the following days and also weeks. I have picked this one because it has confirmed the first rule that the price has formed in the downtrend. We can see it here. Now the next step is to form technical analysis for this pair. I will also put horizontal support and resistance lines, trend lines, supply zones, and then I will see how the market looks. You can see this is the current the current status, how the market looks, but it will be much more clear when I put all the technical tools that I'm using. Give me a few minutes and I will also make the analysis, and then I will continue to discuss about how this bat pattern looks and are these levels, stop loss, first take profit and second take profit as a valid one, are they okay or not based on the analysis. Okay, these are the weekly and daily support and resistance levels. Now we'll go to the 4-hour time frame to put also here the support and resistance levels to see where the price is respecting these price levels. Just a minute. One more. Remove the thickness. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. This should be here. Then this one should be around this one here. And above that, let's see this one here. And here it is. Now let's go to the weekly and put also the trend lines. Just a minute. Okay. Is there any trend format here? Okay, trend line, we can see it here, one. Okay, change the color to the blue and return the thickness on the weekly. Let's copy this one, put it on the below side to see how the price is formed in the channel. Or let's go to the, just a minute, to the daily time frame and see is there some kind of weekly, okay, daily. Okay, trend line, we can see it here, one. Okay, change the color to the blue and return the thickness on the weekly. Let's copy this one, put it on the below side to see how the price is formed in the channel. Or let's go to the daily time frame and see is there some kind of weekly, okay, daily. Okay, Okay. The price is formatted here as also. This is also visible already. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see. Do we have here? Yeah, we do have. Just a minute. Need to see why don't we see this one here? Visibility on all time frames. It's okay. And this one here, it's okay. This is also good. This is visible now, okay. And also a small glitch on the scanner. We can see it. It's not visible on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and see visibility here on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Just a minute. Seems I did not change this one for the 4-hour time frame visibility. 4 hours. Yeah, it's okay. Strange, a small glitch. Okay, we can continue without that. It will show up a little bit later. Now let's form this one here. Put this one also trend line here, what I can see it. Okay, let's change the thickness on the smallest one. Let's activate this one here also. Okay, we have also uptrend here. It's okay also. That's great. And that's okay now. Now let's put supply demand zones. Going from this one area here. Change the color. Just a minute to see which one is the good one. This is okay. So now let's check the supply demand zones. This is good enough. Rectangle around this one here. Let's check also this area here around this one. On the upper side, let's see where the price is touching a lot. This is also okay. And then let's put on the next one. The low side is this one here. On the upper side, where the price is touching most of the time, is this one here. And also we have this one here on the upper side. If you would like to see how to put these demand zones and supply zones and also support and resistance and trend lines, you can also check the gold membership, where you will have all the details how to make these steps on the chart and also make the analysis with the supply demand zones, which I am currently using. Let's make this one here. Okay, this one is also visible here, and this one is also okay here. For now, I think this will be enough. Let's activate this bat pattern. This is the one. Okay. Just a minute. Let's get to the notification. Let's click on this bat pattern visible here, and it is visible here. Let's remove this supply demand zones. Okay. Okay, now we are ready. Just to put here, to change the colors of the text so we can see stop loss, entry level. It's a black one. Take profit 1 and take profit 2. Here it is what we can see. Now we can make the analysis. We can see that the price is in the downtrend. Just a minute. Okay, let's stretch this one a little bit up like this. I cannot see this one on the 4-hour time frame, so I will put this one here so we can see it. Okay, it's much better. This is on the weekly time frame. So I have used 3 time frames, which is 2 more from the time frame I am currently making the analysis. So I am making the analysis on the 4-hour time frame. I have used daily and weekly time frames, which are 2 time frames above, higher than this one. And what we can see here is this one. We can see that the price is currently in the downtrend, where the price is going down, and the price is forming a small uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. What we can see that the price has formed a potential reversal zone just here on the 4-hour resistance area, which is now acting as a confluence of resistance, and the price have a stop loss just slightly below this monthly resistance area. Now what we can see here, the price is has made a breakout. Just a minute to stretch a little bit this up. The price has formed at this area just on the 4-hour time frame, which is also a very important level for the price. We can see that the price has tried to move up, we can see it here, and the price has made a breakout and then returned back down. Now the price is bouncing from this great support on the weekly time frame, and it is now heading again to the 4-hour here confluence of resistance. So the potential reversal zone is suggesting that the price could switch from here and go down below, touching the first take profit here and the second take profit here, but with stop loss, just above this confluence of resistance. So based on the analysis, if we take a look in the past, we can see that the price, when the price was going up from this area here, the price has broke this one here and confirmed this breakout as a valid one and continued to move up to this area here. The price here bouncing back down, and then in the next attempt the price broke above. So this was a case when the price was heading down, and it has continued to fall down even more. But the price is currently heading up, which means the bullish trend is much more stronger than in this case. So it will mean that also there is a possibility that the price makes a breakout to the upside. We can see that the price has stopped for the first time on this great resistance, bouncing back down. Now it's attacking for the second time, and it is a second attempt for the price to make a breakout to the upside. Where the price makes a breakout to the upside, the price reaches around this price level here, which is just around the stop loss in this case. Then the price goes back down and then continues to move up, or reaching this is a weekly resistance level. For now, as it looks right now, for me, if I'm taking a look on this one, currently the price do not have enough strength to push the price even more down. We can see the first attempt was a false one, where the price could not make breakout below this one, and now it is the second attempt for the price that is trying to make a breakout to the upside. So this means that the selling pressure that is here is not strong enough because of this buying pressure that is pushing the price even more higher. If we go here like this and see how these candles looks, we can see that this candle on a Friday that has been formed did not make a breakout to the upside, so there is a potential that on a Monday the price makes a breakout to the upside. There is no selling pressure visible here on a Friday that could trigger that there is bulls that have exited from their trades, and also the sellers that have entered this trade here that could push the price even more down. We can see that the price, in the attempt to move even more down on the first case when this bat pattern has been formed, did not succeed to go below this area, making a breakout to the downside. So as it looks right now, if we go also on the daily, we will see how this looks. Let's remove indicators, bat patterns. We can see that the price has formed on the daily time frame a strong bullish candle, and the price has stopped right here on the confluence of resistance. If we go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks, we will see we will see that the price is currently in the bullish mode, where the price has made a breakout on the weekly time frame with this candle. So where the price could stop on the weekly or next one is above this one here, which is around 3.75. Now if I go to the 4-hour time frame and see this one, just a minute, and see 3.75, it's very close to the stop loss level, and it also not suggesting that the price could reverse back down based on the weekly and also daily analysis. So for me this would not be very good trade for the bat pattern because of these not very good signals that is pointing based on the technical analysis that I'm using. Even though that the bat pattern has been formed on the 4-hour time frame in the downtrend, it's suggesting that the price could continue to move down in the trend. This doesn't look very likely that it will continue to move up. So I'm using technical analysis as one more filter for the bat pattern that is formed on the downtrend, that is suggesting that the price will continue to fall down. In the next week I will see how this bat pattern has been moved. Is it been a valid one, or it has been failed, as I'm expecting that the price could make and reach this stop loss in the following days. We'll see what happens. After the price makes breakout to the upside, there could be a stop loss reach, but also the price could return back down, going to the take profit and take profit too. But based on the analysis I currently have, I'm suspecting that the price could make a breakout below this one, a great monthly support level, which we can see that in this attempt this week that the price could not break out to the downside. Let's see in the next week what happens, but also if you have any questions, feel free to ask, leave a comment, I will try to answer as soon as possible. But if you have also a pattern that you would like to discuss and share with other traders, feel free to share with us in the Facebook group. See you next time and happy trading!